Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are at Get Air, and it is Carmen's 4th birthday, and we are celebrating with her today. She is having so much fun. She has lots of little cousins here, and we're just having a good time. She's the big 4, so everybody wish Carmen happy 4th birthday today. I'm going to turn you around so that you can watch her. There she is, climbing up there. Hi, Karmen! Yay! She's having a wonderful time. We're going to go and have pizza and cupcakes. But yeah, we're having a good time today. Keeps running back from the trampoline to the ball pit. There she is, climbing over the balance beam. This place is huge. She loves it. In the smaller kids section, they got a little basketball thing, and then you got my sister over there. Kids playing. They got massage chairs for parents. So it's going to be kind of loud. Hopefully you guys can hear me. But yeah, if anyone is interested in birthday parties or something fun to do with the kids, this is it. It's called Get Air. And they have so many things to do for kids of all ages. And this here, Get Air, is, there's many trampoline parks, but here's the larger section. And, yeah, the kids are really having a great time. So we definitely will be bringing Karmen back, as she is really enjoying herself today. And it's been so fun. So fun. We're just going to have fun here and let the kids play and enjoy themselves, and then go get some pizza. This Get Air, as I was saying, is in Pickerington, Ohio. It's a really nice one. And Carmen's just having a blast now that we're back to the birthday girl. Hi, birthday girl! She's having a really good time. Daddy's over here doing videos.
Hello!
Yeah, I probably won't say too much. I'm hoping that you guys are able to hear me. Thank you guys for joining us today and celebrating Carmen's birthday, aka Ladybug. Getting ready to go jump with her cousins, and she's just having a blast. So much fun. They're just all jumping. I'll turn you around here so you can meet my sister. This is my sister Jana. She's here. She's my oldest sister, and I'm her favorite baby sister. So we're having a good time with all the kids, and we're just going to keep enjoying Carmen's birthday. Yay! So there's the slam dunk area, and there's a big ball pit over there, and then there's a basketball court over there, and you got little Karmen running through, having a great time as usual. These kids, I'm telling you, can see they're really getting their exercise in and having a blast.
Well, today we are celebrating Carmen's 4th birthday, and she is in the foam pit. You having fun? Whee! Yay! Can't believe you're already 4, Karmen. Yeah. You having fun? Lots and lots of people here today. She doesn't really know what to do with this. She's just sitting there thinking.
So, we'll see you here in a few minutes. Well, a few seconds for you, but a little while for the pizza party.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karmen. Happy birthday to you.
May God's blessings be on you.
I just burped.
Good
twice.
job.
Good job.
Yay.
You're like, okay, now give me that cake.
Yeah, she's
Give me that old top in there.
She was looking at us. My mom would normally squish the ice cream on my face.
Here, Carmen. Here, lick it off.
What kind do you want?
Chocolate or vanilla?
All she's doing is flicking the icing in.
Say please and thank you. Use your manners.
Thank you.
And just like that, you had a fun-filled day with Karmen. We really appreciate you guys watching our vlog and what our family's doing. Karmen had a wonderful day. She was wore out. Pizza Cottage in Pickerington was delicious as usual. We always enjoy going there, and it's one of Karmen's favorites. And she enjoyed the cupcake and just being with family, and we had a really good time, and we appreciate you all watching and being a part of our family. And stay tuned, because there's more to come on different days, and we love you all, and If you can, hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you don't forget or don't get, so you do get, sorry, we're tired, that you do get, the next videos that are coming up, so you don't miss out on anything. And, you know, we just like to document what we're doing, and when Karmen gets older, she can go back and hopefully look at this video and watch her 4th birthday. Maybe even show her kids someday. Who knows? So, we love you. Thank you again for joining us. And please remember, share my videos so that we can grow our channel and have a bigger family, a bigger YouTube family. And if you can, please comment below wishing Karmen happy birthday. I'll be able to tell her who's wishing her happy birthday, and she'll be excited. It's been a wonderful day, and it's now time to just relax this evening with the family. We love you. God bless. We'll see you soon.